Hey folks, this is a test of the ZTE Open, which is the very first Firefox phone. This is actually the retail demo phone. So this is the very first one. And we're testing out the camera. It doesn't look to be that great. Excuse the mess, but stuff everywhere. This is what a dark portion of the room looks like. On the screen, you basically just see nothing. It's not great looking. Over here is where it's usually sort of dark, but it's not today. I mean, there's light coming in, as you can see, but you look down here, it still looks dark. So the camera on this phone is pretty terrible. I don't even know if my hand's on the mic or not for the phone. Doesn't look like it. So I think it's time we take this outside and do the outdoor test. Alright, here we are with the outdoor test. I can barely see what I'm doing on the screen. Mainly because this ZTE Open has a resistive touchscreen that's very prone to glare. It's a nice, bright, sunshiny day. As per usual with these videos, let's take a look at the kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. I like it. See if I can zoom in on him. I don't know if there's a zoom control on this. It's very confusing. This is running Firefox OS, so I'm not used to it. I'm doing the best I can. Yeah, since this is the very first Firefox phone, I thought it'd be interesting to see what the hardware was like. Obviously, this is meant for third world countries, so it's going to be a cheap phone. Usually it's a single core or a dual core with not much RAM. And Firefox OS is entirely HTML5 based, so which is really what HTML5 was meant for in the first place in many ways. So it's an interesting thing to look at, I think. Look at my shadow. I don't know what sort of video this takes, whether it's H.264 or something. It probably is, considering it's HTML5 and all that stuff. Yeah, the pond's off right now because it's December. So this phone, I have no clue what to expect out of the video. I know it's going to be bad, but I don't know how bad. So there you have it. This is the ZTE Open and how its video is. This phone's interesting. It was donated to me by Sansui350A here on YouTube. It's a good piece of open source history. So I thought I'd give it a go. Definitely still works. I'd do a full review on this phone, but the marketplace doesn't work. It's broken. I don't know what the deal is. I think I need to get a newer Firefox phone, if they still even make them, to do a full review on one. But it's still cool to tinker around with. At least I think so. So there you go. This is the camera test of the ZTE Open. Interesting phone, interesting concept. And, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao.